I have a 7 years of experience in data networking, and from 2012, I am not working. And so now it's almost 10 years. Okay, now I want to restart my career. That's the whole idea. Which course or certification I can opt for. Yeah. So now, when you are restarting your career, my advice, and again, you probably do your own investigation as well. You need to see what kind of work you feel comfortable with, and how possibly you can create quick opportunity right now to experiment that work. Yeah. So say if you might have done some things 10 years ago, so it's a little huge gap, and if you still feel excited about that job, that technology, that thing, then you may want to probably continue there. Else you may want to think afresh. You don't necessarily think that I used to do this, now I want to do this. So that's not necessarily a link here. Now, if you are coming from a networking background, so it's a technical background, it's a execution background, you get assigned a work and you get things done. Now, after this gap, are you going to are you looking for an individual contributor job, or you are looking for a people management and coordination and facilitation job? So that's the first distinguish we need to do. Now, somebody will say, okay, anything will work. So, okay, so probably we can explore both. So one is, what kind of individual contribution jobs can be done? In today's world, if you feel good with content, digital space, so working and in a digital market space is a good option. Yeah. So it could be social media, it could be content writing, it could be like any social media channel management, be it LinkedIn, YouTube. There are various aspects which may require to be managed, and these kind of things are requires analytical skills, requires a sense of customer empathy, and ability to see what people might be looking at. So your previous experience as well as your experience of life matters there, because you are dealing with people only. So that's the overall, the life experience itself makes you like gives you an ability to do that kind of a job. So that's a one possible space. So doing some program, in case a program itself may give you foundational understanding, but it is more about thinking creatively and doing stuff in a creative way. So that's a one possible space. We don't have a proper content program from our offering side, but I do see people getting into a digital content space from the break. That's a one possible starting point. Now, in our offering space, we have a space or a work which is more on facilitation and leadership style. So you may want to go get into a people management space, maybe starting with a small team, maybe small organization. Because of your maturity and emotional intelligence and ability to manage various conflicts and interaction, you might be able to do a good facilitation job. So a scrum master profile, which is and again, you can start small, and if you are flexible enough for taking that, there are many mid-size, small size organization who are looking for a managers who can facilitate things. Yeah, so facilitators are anyway looked after. And those set type of company may not be too much stringent on the requirement of experience as well. They may see an attitude which you are showing towards getting things done. So in order to do that part, you probably can get to certification program like certified scrum master. So you understand how the development is happening in today's world. Now you can pick up content and learn about it. You may explore various ideas by attending various events like this. So you have already taken a step by attending an event like this, and then you interact people, understand how the world has changed over a period of time, and see what kind of a gaps and skills I need to fill up. As soon as this face-to-face word starts, you can also get started into a community events, and then target as a scrum master profile, and then probably get into a project management space as well. So if you want to be more action oriented, you can get into these facilitation, starting by a certified scrum master path as a path, and then learn and take it forward. If you want to be little work from home, flexible, and only doing things when I want to do, and I don't want to get into the people management space, I want to be a contributor, then things like digital marketing probably can help, or you can find out something which can be done at a soft space.